the alphabet, German alphabets. Welcome to my channel, German Classroom for Students. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hello students, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the alphabets in German. So let's learn the pronunciation of these alphabets in English. So what do we call the alphabets in German? The alphabet. The alphabet. Let's begin with A. A is A. Repeat after me. A. B is B. B. C is say. One more time. Say. D is day. Day. What is E? E is A. A. F is F. F. G is pronounced as gay. Gay. H is ha. One more time. Ha. What is I? I is E. E. J is yacht. Yacht. K is car. Car. L is pronounced as L. L. M is pronounced as M. One more time. M. N is N. N. O is O. O. P is pay. Pay. What is Q? Q. Q. R is R. R. S is pronounced as S. S. T is T. T. U is U. U. V is V. How do we pronounce it? V. W is V. V. X is X. X. What about Y? Y is Upsilon. Upsilon. Z is set. Set. I hope you have understood these alphabets. However, the German alphabets contain one additional character and umlauted forms of 3 vowels that we are going to discuss in our next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.